Creating animations can range from simple GIFs to complex 3D animations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Define your concept storyboard. Sketch out your idea in a sequence of drawings or images. This helps visualize the flow of the animation. Script. Write a script if your animation involves dialogue or specific actions. 2. Choose your tools. 2D animation. Software like Adobe Animate, Toon Boom Harmony, or open-source tools like Krita and Pencil 2D. 3D animation. Blender, Maya, or Cinema 4D. Stop motion. Dragon Frame or Stop Motion Studio. GIFs. Photoshop, GIMP, or online tools like Canva. 3. Create assets. Characters and backgrounds. Design your characters, backgrounds, and any other elements needed for your animation. Rigging. For 3D, create a skeleton for your 3D models to make them movable. 4. Animate keyframes. Set key poses or positions for your characters or objects. In between and tweening, fill in the frames between keyframes to create smooth motion. Timing. Adjust the timing of your frames to match the desired speed and rhythm of your animation. 5. Add effects and sound. Visual effects. Add effects like lighting, shadows, or particle effects. Sound effects and music. Sync sound effects, dialogue, and background music to your animation. 6. Render. Export. Render your animation into a video file or GIF format. Ensure you choose the right resolution and frame rate. 7. Review and edit. Playback. Watch your animation to check for any errors or areas that need improvement. Edit. Make necessary adjustments and re-render if needed. 8. Share. Publish. Upload your animation to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or social media. Feedback. Gather feedback to improve your future projects. Tips for beginners. Start simple. Begin with basic shapes and movements to understand the principles of animation. Learn the 12 principles of animation. These principles, such as squash and stretch, anticipation, and timing, are fundamental to creating believable animations. Practice. Regular practice will help you improve your skills and develop your unique style. Resources. Tutorials. Websites like YouTube, Skillshare, and Udemy offer a plethora of tutorials for all skill levels. Communities. Join forums or social media groups to connect with other animators and share your work. By following these steps and continuously practicing, you'll be able to create engaging and professional animations.